In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this past PSLE math question. Right, it is a bit challenging because there will be a need to do some trial and error in order to answer the question. Ayla and Bilaba wanted to get some pencils and pens. These pencils and pens are only sold in boxes. A box of 7 pencils costs $2 and a box of 6 pens costs $3. Part A. Ayla wanted to buy 19 pencils and 4 pens. What is the least amount of money she needs to spend on these pens and pencils? Part B. Bilaba bought 15 more pens than pencils. The total number of pens and pencils that she bought was less than 58. Question is, how much did Bilaba spend on these pens and pencils altogether? Right, she wants to buy 19 pencils, but these pencils come in boxes only. Right, one box contains 7 pencils, so we have to take 19 divided by 7. We're going to get 2.714 and so on. So now we have to round it up to 3 boxes. Right, that is for the pencil. What about the pens? She wants to buy 4 pens, but each box contains 6 pens. So 4 divided by 6 is 0.666 and so on. Right, so again we have to round it up to 1 box. Right, so this is pencils and this is pen. Alright, so what is the amount of money? So 1 box of pencil is $2, so 3 multiplied by 2, plus 1 box of pen is $3, so 1 multiplied by 3. So she has to spend $9. Now let's try to do part B. Right. Bilaba bought 15 more pens than pencils, and the total of these pens and pencils is less than 58, and we are supposed to find how much did she spend on this. Right, so let's start with the pencil first. Let's assume that she can buy 1 box. So 1 box of pencil contains 7. Right, 7, since the number of pens is 15 more, so we're going to get 22 pens. But these pens are sold in boxes of 6 only. Alright, so we can see very clearly that 22 is not the multiple of 6. Or in other words, if we take 22 divided by 6, we are not going to get the whole number. Right, so this is 3 point something something something. Right, so this cannot be the answer. Okay, so we have to trial 2 boxes of pencils now. Right, so 2 boxes of pencils contain 2 multiplied by 7 equal to 14 pencils, and since the number of pens is 15 more, so we are going to add 14 to 15 to get 29, and then we have to check again whether this 29 is a multiple of 6. Right, so you can try and use your calculator. Right, you will find that this is again not a whole number. Right, so again 2 boxes of pencils and is not the answer to the problem. Right, so we have to try the 3rd time now. 3 boxes of pencils. Right, so 3 boxes of pencils means we're going to get 3 multiplied by 7 number of pencils, or 21, and then 21 plus 15 is equal to 36. Right, and it's quite obvious now that 36 is actually a multiple of 6, because it is 6 multiplied by 6. Right, so now we get whole numbers for both. Bilaba will have to buy 3 boxes of pencils and 6 boxes of pens, right? So now we have to check that this total number is actually less than 58, right? So let's check that one first. So 21 plus pencils plus 36 pens is equal to 57. So 57 is actually less than 58. Right, now I want to pause here for a while to explain why this particular question includes this part less than 58. Right, it actually implies that there are actually other possible answers which are greater than 58. So for this particular case, actually the other possible answer is 12 boxes of pencils, right, which will give us 12 multiplied by 7 equal to 84 pencils, and 84 plus 15 that will give us 96 pens. Alright, and 96 pens is actually 96 divided by 6, or 16 boxes of pen. Right, so obviously in this case the number is going to be much greater than 58, but it is a possible answer. Now let's go back to our problem and find out what is the final answer. Right, we have discovered that she needs to buy 3 boxes of pencils. So one box is $2, and 6 boxes of pen, one box is $3. Right, so this is 6 plus 18 or equal to $24. Right, that's the final answer for part B. Okay, so now that you have learned how to answer this math problem, right, it's practice time. So go to the link that is given below, click on the new problem button to get a new set of numbers, right, and then try it out and check your answer by clicking on this answer button. Okay, so have fun and thank you for listening.